Okay, so iweyo ukasegula chati chako enepeya chimene uziona ndichonacho tino maketiyo ikhali kupita mwamba as in uptrend. For example, this one at H4 from 24 May market yakaikulowera mwamba motero ndi makhala ikupanga form a series of higher highs and higher lows. Alright, higher highs and higher lows. So what happens is that there is higher here, higher low here. There is higher here, higher low here. There is higher here, higher low, and there is this low, and there is this high. All right, so market is heading upwards like that, so it's in uptrend. Then when you're trading an uptrend, okay, what you do pamachati patterns such, you look at the continuations patterns. For example, flag. Okay, nde tikama trader flag yo, this is what you see. Terekeze taipanga zoom in up. Alright, so I'm going to draw a trend line because of what I'm seeing. At least I should touch more than 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks. So there, so you can see good, my trend line like going to the malo angapo like this, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, or you can count individual week 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5, there is 6. So this is a very good trend line. All right, so I'm also going to draw the opposite trend line to the other side. Okay, targeting at least the weeks only, touching at least more than 3. If I can do it in this way, so much the better. Okay, so much the better. Sometimes zima take on good, candlesticks enake they can protrude outside like that. All right, koma zima chita bwino when you are looking my wicket. Now this is what I'm drawing. This is typically a flag. Ndeno ukapita pa chart pattern pako patapo ona kuti no flag yo ikuchokera down here. Okay, it has made a flag bwino, and the end result yake flags they break upwards because they are in this kind of continuation pattern. All right, market ikupita mwamba, so pattern has come in to show possible continuation. Then what do? You measure this leg, okay, this leg, and you bring it at the point of breakout. Then you bring your gray zone, marking where trade is likely to get. Kutanthauza nena kuti no mene ilira apapamu ukafuna kulowa entry yako buy after a breakout and retest of which yachitika, though I'm not satisfied ikhoza kubwererabe ndikumapita mwamba. Okay, but you can enter buy from there, take profit wako until ukagonde that range. Okay, that is there is one way of having a very safe take profit. What do? You measure the distance in between the channel, then you transfer that one after a point of breakout, then you bring your zone to show exit. Okay, so you can measure, okay, if I enter here, all right, if I enter there, my take profit one ikhala when the price has managed to touch their zone. All right, stop loss slightly below here. My box amanena kuti somewhere below here, koma it's not good, it's not very good because you have entered here, put stop loss slightly below the trend line, then you can hold. Koma for this one, price has got ability to go beyond up there kukafika pa TP2, but price isanafika pa TP2 pamene ili pa TP1 pompa chimene chimatha kuchitika imatha kuzapanga reversal, okay, ndikubwerera kufika pamenepo ndikuzakweranso mmwamba zimatha kutheka. Now pokwera mmwambapo sikwera straight, market moves up and down, ikhozanso kuzapanga form mwina ndika penalty kena kosonyeza possible continuation. This is how we trade forex. Now for you to be profitable, you need to have a very good entry as well as a very good exit. Yolina kuti no ukapanga risk iwe profit yako risk to reward at least 1 to 4 or 1 to 3 minimum. For example, takhala tikupanga monitor kuti no there is a flag being formed. When it is going to break out, it is going to move at least a distance, but before it breaks out, we just look at this supported trend line. Okay, we just look at this supported trend line. Price ikamaenda huko, the moment it touches our trend line here, we can enter buy there. Tikapanga enter buy, ndekuti we wait for the price to make a breakout. Once tikapanga breakout, mukhoza panga close ma position ena until you hold. Mukapanga hold mukaanza fika region ya TP1, mukhoza kuseka ma position ena that kungusiya kande position imodzi targeting this high. Alright, remember poeza this high, there is a distance from here up to here. Ndieno there is also another technique ya exit. Mukafuna kutuluka kwina chimene chimachika nchona chakuti no price moves in the series of highs and the series of low. The price ikaenda mwamba, this one we call rally. Ikapita moose, we call it drop. Ndiye pamene price yapanga rally, then it comes with a break. It can be a consolidation, then a drop, or kapena rally and a drop. This region is one which is called a base. Sometimes we can have also a base when market goes up like that, which is like rally, then it makes a drop, which is a base, then make rally. So this is the base. The same applies when market because take ikuchoka mwamba kupita mosi, which is a drop, then it makes a base, then you continue drop. This one is a base. All right, now in our scenario, a market was coming from here, rally, it made a base, another rally, then a drop. When you have a rally, a drop, there is a base here, either of a candle or anything. Okay, so this price act as a magnet. The price enu itasika musi yukakwera mwamba ndikupanga bullish flag yanu imene akwanisa kupanga break yukupita mwamba. This region market imenera ikafiki at all cost, meaning that ababa price yatui pamene yapanga flag like that ndikubreaka, we are targeting this region. Alright, I don't know zitenga masiku angati, but this is our target. Now entry yabwino, like I said, when the price has touched the lower support line like here, we're supposed to enter there. Take a profit 1 at the point of breakout. Take a profit 2 when we measure the distance between the channel. Take a profit 3 where we have rally base drop. Alright, this is our final destination. So this is how we can approach a flag of this nature. Thank you.